Russian military has unveiled its updated Courier robotic combat platform, designed to support assault operations by delivering direct firepower and conducting battlefield logistics. The system can be configured to carry a variety of weapons and payloads including anti-personnel mines, supplies and ammunition.
Indian Air Force is set to acquire 300 to 400 inflatable dummies designed to mimic aircraft and air defense systems, bolstering its deception and survivability tactics, where dummy aircraft will be employed to mislead enemy air defense systems.
The Chinese company Sichuan Tengdan Sci-Tech has successfully tested a transport drone by parachuting 1.2 tons of cargo from a height of 300 meters. All the containers landed on parachutes within 100 meters of the target, confirming possibility of using this drone in delivery mission.
Russian defense firm Rostec has delivered new batch of BMP-3 infantry fighting vehicles to Russian Ministry of Defense equipped with upgraded modular armor and electronic warfare systems. Each vehicle also received Nikitka camouflage kit designed to reduce thermal and radar signatures.